What up, y'all? Kev here.
And Jesse.
We just want to, first off, thank you all so much for your support over the years. One of the products that we've really enjoyed this past year and a half has been the At the Table podcast. We have enjoyed making the deep dives on different topics related to health and wellness. And that part is going to continue, but we are going to be introducing a brand new format for the podcast. And basically, we're just going to be doing what we do every single time that we film together, which is like behind the scenes. Talk about random stuff. Talk about health and wellness in the news, how we react to it, and what we really feel about that. And we really feel that this new format speaks more to the at the table theme, where you're breaking bread with people, which we already do every time we get together, and we're just talking about life and things that come up. And so we know that you're going to like this newer format, and we hope to get your support. So our first episode is kicking off next week. Yep. So tune in. And yes, we're still going to be doing the deep dives on topics that we really care about, because that's a passion of ours, and I think that we need to provide voice for those topics that need it most. But for the most part, At the Table podcast is going to be changing, and I think you're going to like it.
Oh yeah, we got church topics, aliens,
this is
succession, and yeah, this is all just one episode. So
yes, and social media and your kids, as well as Ozempic being the new miracle drug to stop addiction. So we're going to be covering all that in the first episode, and also sitting down with guests. So yeah, tune in next week, next Thursday, and tell your friends, tell your kids, what that saying is. I forget. What is it?
Don't hide your wife. Don't hide your kids. Tell your kids. Tell your wife.
Don't hide them. That's right. Yeah. All right, y'all. Thanks so much. Peace.
See y'all.